Materials required: colorful craft papers, scissors, glue, pencil and broomsticks. Fold the colored paper as shown here. Cut through the boundaries and you will get shape of a kite. Take broomsticks, paste on the creases. Also, for the second stick, it should cross the first stick and do bend it from center while pasting. Secure the intersection with square piece paper. Secure the ends of the stick as well. Cut a triangle, paste it at the corner. We have cut small circles and triangles from colorful paper and pasted it all over the kite. Don't forget the side tassels to make the kite more beautiful. You can also draw a kite face to make it look interesting.